Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Are you able to hear me and are you able to see me everyone?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
good afternoon. So we have Venkat, we have Divakar, we have Asta, very nice. We have Slesha, we have Vallabh,
Sir, I'm Dhruv.
Pradeep, and we have Dhruv. Where is Dhruv? Okay, I put, sorry, yes, Divakar. So Dhruv. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So still not everyone joined yet. So let's start, guys. With the last week Sunday class you could not have. Last Sunday was last Sunday was very bad time, but no good. We started on Saturday with arithmetic progressions. I'll do a 5 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute recap, and then we're going to start and complete the arithmetic progression. Tell me, Dhruv, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? Explain in one line.
Sir, it's a sequence of numbers.
Sequence of numbers. A specific pattern is there, right?
Yeah, in a specific. Uh,
Pattern. What's that
yeah.
pattern? Slesha, what is that pattern? What is the two main things we talk about AP? Yes, Lesha.
Except the first one.
Okay, your voice is. So in any AP, guys, Vallabh, in any arithmetic progression, there are two very important things. What is this and what is this? Vallabh,
Yes, sir.
in any arithmetic progression, we should know at least two things. With these two things, we can always form a AP. First thing is the A, which is first term, right?
First term and D is the difference.
Common difference. If we know these two things, we can always form any AP. And Asta, before we start, what is the formula for finding the nth term? We have used a lot. Asta, what is the formula or method to find out the nth term? Asta, are you there?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
I am able to hear you. So nth term is given by a plus n minus 1d. We have done a lot of problems on this, guys. First term, common difference, n is the number of terms, n is the nth term, so a plus n minus 1d will give you obviously the value of the nth term. All good, this one? Now today what we are going to talk about is, we are going to talk about sum of arithmetic progression. Suppose some series is given. Suppose, listen very carefully. Suppose I give an AP like 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Suppose if you do manually what will be sum? Add all of them. 14, 11, 25, 30, 40. Right? But when the AP becomes very big, then obviously doing manually is inefficient. So we can say S of n means sum of the n terms is given by 2a plus n by 2. Also I'll put it, and then you put a bracket. For any AP, the sum of first n term is given by n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Everybody know what is a, what is d, and what is n. N is number of terms. Let's verify here.
Sir, n can be used.
Say again. Say again, please.
Sir, n means number of terms, sir. Sometimes we use it for nth term also.
Exactly. So I think I explained last time. So
Yes, sir.
Sir, and also n by 2 bracket 2a. So like won't the 2 be cancelled?
Asta, Maths doesn't work like this. 2a plus n minus 1d is inside bracket. How can you cancel 1, 2 with this 2? What, Asta? Are you telling me if I write 6 plus 3 and I say divide by 2, can you do this?
No, sir.
Then
We have to first add.
it's a basic maths. You cannot. So that answer. Now Venkat was saying, sir, and shall we call it number of terms or we also use for nth term? Both are same thing. For example, Venkat, how many terms are here?
5, sir.
5. So n is 5.
Yes, sir. 5.
Also here the last term also is 14. So number of term is 5. Nth term we also take as the last term.
Yes,
So
sir.
nth term or fifth term is 14. So this same thing.
5th term.
Either we say number of term is 5 or nth term is fifth term. Sometimes we have to find out third term. So then n becomes 3. If I have to find
Yes, sir.
second term, then becomes 2. It upon you then. It depends on us. But
Yes, sir.
n is always means number of terms.
Generally, number of terms.
So even when you
Yes,
say
sir.
a n equal to a plus n minus 1d,
Yes, sir.
n is the nth term. That
Yes, sir.
whatever n can be. If you put n equal to 1, it becomes first term.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, n equal to 5, a is equal to 2, first term is 2, and the common difference is 5 minus 2, 3. If you apply this, and I want everyone to write this. If you apply this, so your sum becomes sum of n terms, Sn or S5, whatever you call it. N by 2, 5 by 2. I am trying to tell you it works both ways, and then we are going to solve many questions. So let me make this bigger. So 2a is 2, so 2 into 2, 4, plus n minus 1, so 5 minus 1, 4, times d is 3. 4 into 3, 12, plus 4, 16, 16 by 2, 8, 40. You still got 40, right? Sum. We manually also got 40. So one is Sn equal to any AP of n terms, the sum is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now one more thing I want to tell you, which you should remember and don't get confused. Another way of saying is, sum of n term, we also can say I'll tell you what is, so n by 2, a plus l. N you know, a you know, L is the last term. L is the last term. This is my A, this is my L. So don't get confused N and L. L is the value of the last term. N means the nth term or last term. So n is number of terms, not the value. So when we say 14, 14 is the value of the last term. But we say n equal to 5, there are 5 terms. Or 14 is the fifth term. 14 is a fifth term, not its value. 14 is the value and it's a fifth term. They are both different things. So when we put it here, again 5 by 2, 2 plus kitna hoga? 14. 16 by 2, 8, again 40. So you can use any of that. Either you can use this or use the first. You see the two boxes, guys? Those two boxes are useful for finding sum of any AP. Know when to use when, you know that. If you know A and D, see N is required in all. But if you know A and D, use this. If you know A and L, use this. That's it. So with your choice, when you want to use what. Any AP, you can form with this. For example, let's quickly solve, guys. Find sum of below series 8, no, 24, 21, 18, 15, ... And if I say minus 9. Can you find the sum, guys, quickly? Use whichever method. Find sum of this AP. So you might think, sir, there is no n. You are right, there is no n given. What we know here? A is 24. What is D here, everybody? Pradeep, Lesha, Vallabh, what is
Minus
it?
3, sir.
3.
Minus 3, guys,
Minus
not
3,
3.
sir.
You are right. Minus 3. No, we don't know n.
Sir, can we take n like put 12 and then 9 and
We'll
the n
find
will
out.
come
We will find out
7?
n. We will find n by using the AP first. First, we'll find out the n.
Oh.
That n equal to
So how will we find n? How that? First, we'll put a n. What is the concept of what is the formula of a n? Finding the nth term. We already did, right?
a plus n minus 1.
A plus n minus 1d.
Yes, sir.
In this case, you know. Now tell me, when I say nth term, so I don't know, so I'll take the last term, right? Guys, this
Yes,
is the
sir,
concept
minus-
I told you. And nth term, last term is minus 9. So we'll take minus 9. A is 24. And we have to find out D is minus 3. Correct, everybody? Solve now.
Yes, sir.
24 comes to the left side. Minus 9 minus 24 is? Agree? Minus 3 comes to the left side. Correct? Minus 30 divided by minus 3, 11. So n equal to. So if AP is given, where you know A and D, and you know the last term, can you find nth term or not? Can you find n or not? We found n equal to 12. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
So guys,
Sir,
don't get
Yes.
confused with this. This is nth term or last nth term. So it depends, because we are considering this is nth term, so we are considering AP till minus 9. If I consider nth term is 15, then my AP is still 15. My choice. So we are considering full AP. So minus 9 is last term is my nth term, suppose. So this is my nth term. So once we solve this, we get the n mean number of terms from 24 to minus 9. Somebody was asking any question? No question?
No, sir.
Somebody was saying something. So we got n equal to 12. If we got n equal to 12, we know A, we know D. We can easily get sum equal to n by 2. We can use this also now, our choice now. Because we know the last term. We can also use 2a plus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d or this one. Anything is okay. n is 12, 12 by 2. A is 24. The last term is minus 9. Right, everybody? Again, it's
Yes,
more
sir.
objectives. So it is 6 times 24 minus 9 is how much?
90 is the answer.
So 90 is the answer, Yashwant. That's it. So easy. Even if you use 2a plus n minus 1, is same thing. See, if your mind is clear with A, N, D, and how to find last term, so easy. Everybody can solve A very easily. Clear? So if it's clear, then do one question now.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you simple question, find sum of first 100 natural numbers. That's it. Can you find out? Try, everyone. If you know the answer, don't just write the answer. Solve it again. Everyone knows what is natural numbers, right? Find sum of first 100 natural numbers. Everybody find out. So you will say, sir, my natural number starts. Write on the chat, Slasha. You will say 1, 2, 3. These are natural numbers. It will go up to 100. So what we know? We know A equal to 1. Correct. What is D? D is 1. Correct. How much is N? First 100 natural numbers. So N would be 100. Even you want L, last term would be 100. We know so many things. This many things we know. So getting sum is a very, very easy. Sum.
So sir, SN will equal to 100 upon 2. A plus L, so 1 plus 100.
Right.
Right?
So 100 by 2. A is 1. L is 100. 50 times 5050. Is anyone who did not understand this? Because now I am going to ask you a challenge. It's easy but still a challenge. Find sum of first 20 numbers which are first 20 natural numbers which are divisible by 7. Try everyone. Let's see who does it. Find sum of first 20 natural numbers which are divisible by 7. Right, Dhruv? If divisible by 7, which are numbers? 7, 14, 21. So, difference is 7. You are right. So, first, everybody, first step is form a AP. Which is the first natural number divisible by 7? 7 only. 14, 21, dot. 20 number. No, even we don't know the last term. That's fine. We don't need that. We can find also 70 is 140 will be last term, but if we don't know, that's okay. Because you don't need last term always. A, N and D, that's enough. So what is A here? 7. What is D here? What is N here? With that, can you find out or not sum? Because first 20 natural numbers, so obviously N is 20, there are 20 terms. 7, 14, 21, dot will be this. So we know A, we know D, we know N. We have to just put the sum formula, sum equal to N by 2. N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1, 19 times D. That's it. 10 times 19 into 7 is how much? What is 7? 19 into 7? 133
133.
plus 14. Tell me how easy it is. Everyone got this? 1470. Vallabh some calculation mistake, Pradeep some calculation mistake, but I believe everybody knows.
Sir, which formula have you used here, sir?
N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. What is the formula? There are only two formulas.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
One is N by 2, A plus L. One is N by 2 in the bracket 2A plus N minus 1D. Correct? Only these two formulas.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good.
It was a typing mistake.
I know. So that's fine. If you all are clear in concept, I am very happy. If concept all of, then ask me please. So this is how you do sum. Now how will you do this kind of question? If I say if sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10. Find its 20th term. Can you solve this, everybody? Try. If sum of first 14 terms on AP is 1050, very interesting thing. Dhruv, what should be the step? First step. What are the things
Sir,
given? Dhruv?
1050 equals to 14 upon 2.
So, Dhruv is using the sum term s equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1. This are you using, right?
No, sir, I was actually using n upon 2 into a plus l.
But where is the L here?
Sir, we are assuming l as l only, and
Okay.
1050 equals to 14 upon 2.
So, from that you get the L.
Yes, sir.
1050. We can use that also, but then also we need, okay, wait, it is not n by 8, n by 2, sorry guys. So 20 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me write the formula first. N by 2. So we can use, guys, this also. Either we can use this, but in this here also, Dhruv, finally you will need L. So guys,
Yes, sir.
if you use this, it's fine. So n is 20, so 20 by 2. A is given as
10.
10. So
Plus
Dhruv is
L.
finding L first, which is perfectly okay. But guys, you should know what is L. L means the nth term.
So
last
n is
term.
14.
Yes, sir. 14 upon 2.
14. You are right. This is my mistake. 14, because the sum is given for 14 terms, guys. So when you solve 14 by 2, 7, 1050 by 7 equal to 10 plus L. How much is this? 717, 35, 50.
140 is equal to L.
150 equal to L plus L, so 140. So L equal to 140. What does L means? Last term. L is the last term or nth term, which is 140. Now what will do Dhruv now?
Sir, 1050. Sir, now we'll find the 20th term. We'll write.
But for any 20th term, we need the D, right?
Yes, sir.
So first we'll use the formula of nth term, an equal to, right,
A
Dhruv?
plus n minus 1 into d.
Here an is what? Last term, right? Or
Yes,
nth
sir.
term. Why we are saying, sir, last term is nth term? Because we are considering there are 14 terms. So 14 term is my nth term also or last term also. That is the concept you have to use. So 140.
140 equals
A
to
is
10 plus n.
N is 14 here.
Oh,
Because we are
into
still
D.
we are not come to 20th term. We are still doing the 14 term. So how much कितना होगा? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 130 equal to 13D or D equal to 10.
10.
So guys, we got D and we know N. No, we don't need anything. We don't need 20th term. 20th term is A20, right?
Yes, sir.
And it is given by A plus N minus 1D. A plus N minus, no, N will become 20 because we need 20th term. So let me put it directly. A plus N minus 1 and D is 10. So when you solve 10 plus 190, or you can say my answer is 200. That is one way of doing, right, Slesha? Another way of doing it, this is correct way. There is no problem at all. So here how we used it. Guys, we use this to get the last term first and then do it. But another way is directly use this. You directly get D. No need to do L and all. So let me show you that also. That's what I was saying. So if I don't do this, if I directly do Sn equal to n by 2, 2 plus. Here we know most of the things. We only don't know D. So let's directly use this. Sum is 1050. N is 14. 2A, 2 into 10, 20. N is 14. 14 minus 1, 13. Agree everybody? So I am directly using now. So 1050 by 14 by 2 is 7. 7 equal to 20 plus 13D. ये कितना था? 150 था ये. So 150 minus 20 equal to 13D. D equal to 10. It's a D equal to, that is more faster, right guys? So don't go with L because this is more faster. You got D equal to 10. When
Yes,
you
sir.
get, if you get D equal to 10, you can easily find out 20 term same way which we did. So A20, A plus N minus 1D. Substitute the value of A and D. You will get again same answer. How much we got? 200. That's it. Whichever way, but I prefer this way when we should always get what is directly given. Okay, that's it. Any question, anyone? Let's move on. Let's move on. Do little more difficult question. No, I want to give one something which is for negative, but before that, if I give a question like this, very fast solve it, guys. How many terms of an AP 24, 21, 24, 21, 18, dot, 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 dot. So that sum is 78. Very easy question. Tell me guys, what should be the answer for this and why? How many terms of AP saw that?
Sir, the first term is 24, right?
Right. How many terms of AP should be taken so that sum is 78? Tell me the answer. Let's see how many we can get it right. Vallabh says 4 terms. Okay. What others says? How many terms of AP should be taken so that sum is 78? Tell me what is A here, guys?
24.
A is 24. I want to tell you something very important. What is D here?
Minus 3.
And we have to find out sum is given. Right, everybody? Dhruv also says for 4 terms, Vallabh says 4 terms. See now the magic. What I'm trying to tell you. Sum is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This everybody knows. Slesha, that's the point. 4 or 13. Now I'll tell you why 4 or 13. Slesha, why 4 or 13? You are right. Answer is not only 4, it's 4 or 13. Because when you know that AP will become negative also later, right? After 18, then something goes, it become negative. So answer can be multiple, only not one answer. Lesha, you want to explain? Sum is given as 78. N is n because
Yes,
n we have
sir.
to find out. 2 into a.
78 is 9 upon 2, 48 plus 48
Right.
plus n minus 1
And d is
into minus 3
right, everybody. This is how it is.
minus 3.
7. So minus 3.
Yes.
Now n by 2, 2 goes to right side, left side, 78 into 2. 156. And
It will become
48.
Sir, I
Hello,
have not done like that.
Sorry. So we are
Sir, I
just going
have
to.
done either that n upon 2, that 78 equal to 51
Finally,
minus
you have to just
n
solve.
upon 2 in bracket.
So now I'm so Sledge, either you open the bracket or you do whichever way. Finally, you get the equation. 48 minus 3n plus 3. Correct? I just do here. So now this becomes how much? 156 equal to n
3n
51 minus 3n.
and 51 minus.
Or 156.
So then it will become 3n square.
Right. 51n minus 3n square.
Minus 3.
And guys,
Yes.
if I take 3 common from here, it becomes more simpler. If I divide by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 2 is 6, 52, right?
Yes.
Equal to 17 n minus
Then
n square.
minus.
This become my quadratic
Yes,
equation,
sir.
guys. And you already know how to solve quadratic. Now I'll remove this, guys. So my quadratic equation becomes n square.
N square
Let me
minus 17n
n square minus
Minus
17n.
plus 52.
This is my quadratic equation. 52. If you drive 52, 4 into 13, you get 17.
Yes, sir.
So
17.
finally you get n minus 4 or n minus 30. Correct? I already told you how to do
And
quadratic
equal to
earlier
4
classes. So now n can be 4 or 30. So why we get two values? Because thank you, selection. Now why we get two values? Because see 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 0, minus 3, minus 6. It gets to minus also. So when you go big minus plus cancel each other. So sum still can be 78. Correct?
So I didn't understand the last steps, solving quadratic.
This one? How we got this one?
Yes, sir. How we got it?
So Venkat, don't worry. I already covered quadratic in my previous lecture. You are going to get videos. I clearly explained how to get the factors of this. 52
Yes, sir. I
means
was
what?
not in that class.
So you will get videos, don't worry.
Yes,
So
sir.
you will get videos. So I covered the quadratic equation chapter last time.
Okay, sir.
So 52 means 13 into 4. So you write
Yes, sir.
17 as like this. You write 17 as n square. Now 17 can be factor of 52 means 4 and 13. So 4n
Yes, sir.
minus 13. You write like this.
Okay, sir.
So now you take common from this. You take common as n.
N.
So what is remaining? N minus 4.
Yes, sir.
You take common from this to minus 13.
Yes,
So you
sir.
get n minus 4. So n minus 4 one factor and n minus 13 the other factor. That's why.
Sir, I'm not getting, sir. Yeah, minus 13 and 52. How did you take the common?
Okay. What is common between these two? What is common between these two? Tell me what is common between these two.
Sir, I think 13.
Correct. 13 is common, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's see. If I take n common, what is remaining?
N minus 4, sir.
Here, if I take 13 common between these two terms, you're taking 13 common.
Yes, sir.
So क्या बचेगा?
N minus 4. Oh, N minus 4. Okay, sir.
No, n minus 4 is common in both. So
Yes, sir.
क्या बच गया? N minus 13.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so everybody, there are two answers. There are 4 terms or there are 13 terms, and both are right. You have to write both, guys. Otherwise, it's not complete solution. So let me do another question now.
Sir, can you display all these questions so that I can take screenshot? This is the first time, sir. These things.
No, I cannot display all one. So whenever writing, you can take at that time.
Okay, sir.
And do not worry. What I'm trying to say is, you will get videos of this.
Yes, sir.
You will get in your account videos of all this.
Okay, sir.
So that time also you can take. But otherwise, in the class you are doing, that the time take the screenshot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No back, doing back is not possible.
Okay,
I
sir.
erased it. But you can take it from now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Let's do another question, guys. I want to give little different terms, some very interesting question. And we should also do some question where the equation is given in the form of n, which we have not done at all. How to solve problems where the equation is given in terms of n. For example, if I say, you don't have this question here, but, okay. If I say, find sum of an AP formed by, find sum of first 10 terms of an AP formed by equation an equal to 9 minus 5n. No, I am giving you the equation in the form. I am not giving you AP. Guys, this is a very easy form. I have seen lot of students who get stuck here. But very easy. The moment your AP is given in the form of an equation, it becomes more easy. N sum is given by n equal to 9 minus 5n. What you will do? See here. You will say, sir, let's put n equal to 1. When you put n equal to 1, what you get? A1, right? A1 means what? First term. So put n equal to 1 here. 9 minus 5, 4. Put n equal to 2. When you put n equal to 2 here, what you get? Second term, correct? A2. Put n equal to 2. 9 minus 10, minus 1. Third term, put n equal to 3. When n equal to 3, we got third term. Put n equal to 3 here. 9 minus 15, minus 6. Now you got the AP. So your AP is, first term is 4, second term is minus 1, second term is minus 1, third term is minus 6. So you have the AP now. The point what I am trying to say is, the moment you have this kind of equation given, you can form AP very easily. Just put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Once you know this AP, you know everything. You know A equal to 1, A equal to 4. What is D here, guys? Write on chat. What is D in this AP? Difference.
Minus 5, sir.
Minus 5. If you know A, if you know D, it's a sum of first 10 terms. You also know N or not? So can you find sum or not? Sum of first 10 terms. Tell me. Tell me what's the
Sir.
answer? What's the answer? So easy then. No, getting sum is so easy. You do directly just so I'll erase this because this is already done. So sum would be n by 2, 10 by 2. 2a, 8. N minus 1, 9. Into D is minus 1. So equal to 5 times, कितना होगा ये? 8 plus 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. Minus 45 plus 8 is minus 37. 5 into minus 37, 370, 185. Sum of the AP is minus 185. Why minus 185? Because we know the terms will go minus 6, minus 11, minus 16, minus 21. So sum has to be negative. But that is easy. The main point was how to form AP when the equation is given. Good. You can find now or not like this. Every one of you. Too easy.
Yes, sir.
So now let's do another question which is very interesting, which is high level question. Generally, sometimes it's out of your syllabus, but when you go for the competitive exam or more in depth, you so let's solve this. Which term of AP? Which term on AP? AP is 121, 117, 113, dot is its first negative term. How will you do this? I just want a method. Very easy, but you have to think more. Which term of AP is the first negative term? How will you find out? Any ideas? Which term of AP is its first negative term? You will get negative term, right? Because 121, 117, 113, then again it will go minus, minus, minus. Think, guys, it's very easy. Which term of AP is first negative term? We don't know how to find out. So what we'll do is, I'll tell you the method. First we'll find out which term is 0. वो तो पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा टर्म 0 है. नेगेटिव 0 के बाद ही आएगा, right? So find out which term is 0. कैसे करेंगे? What is A here? 121. What is D here?
-4, sir.
What is the last term or nth term? I said 0 because we have to find out which term is 0. And we have to find out. So first we'll find out which term is 0. We are going to use the formula of nth term formula. And I'm writing big A, otherwise small a. This is the formula everybody knows. We done last time. N term is given by A plus N minus 1D. Let's say N is 0. A is 121. N we have to find out. Let's see. And D is -4. So 0. Say take -21 here. -121. ये कितना होगा? N -1 into -4. क्या हो गया? -4N plus 4 हो गया. I just multiplied this. तो क्या हो गया? 4N equal to 4 plus 121. Now guys, the most important step is coming. Or N equal to 125 by 4 or N equal to, see what I'm trying to do now, last step. कितना होता है ये? 4 3 is 12, 4 1 is 4, कितना होगा? 5 4, 4 3 12, 5 4 10. No, you don't have to write 31.25. I discussed in my first class on this. Can N be a fraction or N can be a decimal or N can be negative? No, right? N cannot be negative. N cannot be fraction. N can be decimal. Correct? N cannot be 0 also. Just a natural number. What does it mean? 31.25 term is 0. Exactly. So, see, it means till 31 terms it cannot be 0. After 31 term, it will become 0. 31 point something. So, till 31st term it is all positive. And then the next term, 32 term will be negative. So, 32nd term will be negative. You have to write that. Ideal way of solving this is greater than. If you write that N is greater than, so it will be that. Got it? Why we done this? Because we know why. What we're finding it. Our whole objective is finding it. Okay. Not a is not 0. An is 0. Correct. An is 0. So what we're trying to find out is which term is negative. So before finding negative, we find which term is 0. Because 0 के बाद ही negative होगा. So say nth term is 0. With that we solve the L. We got n equal to some value. So we know that from first term to 31 terms, they will be positive. 31 term के बाद ही कोई term होगा जो 0 होगा या उसके बाद negative. So what is the next term after 31st term? 32 the term is the next term of 31st, right? क्योंकि n हमारा fraction नहीं हो सकता है. So you can say 32 term or 32nd term is the first negative term. No, please ask me doubts if anybody has any. और इसको solve करना है एक और we can solve with one more way. I'll give easy questions so you can verify manually also. Suppose मैं देता हूँ question 4 minus 1, not 4 minus 1, 7, 2. Which term of this AP is first negative term? वैसे सामने दिख रहा है आपको. With by seeing this term, you can say which term is negative term, first negative term. Tell me guys on this AP. Orally you can say 7, 2, something, or if you want.
Is the answer 3?
हाँ, इसका आंसर है क्लास 7 2 उसके बाद.
minus 3 sir.
Not the हाँ. So
Minus
which term?
3.
Not minus 3.
Minus
Shlesha, you are telling the value. We need which term? So first term is this, second term, third term negative आएगा. So third term is correct. But if you solve same question with the formula, ये मैंने जानबूझ के छोटा दिया so that you can visualize कि क्या हो रहा है. This. So what we'll do is we'll find out which term is 0 first. ये मैं जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया उसका आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग कि हाउ इजी इट इज. विजुलाइज विच विल फाइंड विच टर्म इज 0. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग? a is 7, d is how much? -5, and an is 0. We are again putting the formula an equal to a plus. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सामने दिख रहा है, बट टू वेरीफाई कि हाउ इट वर्क्स. an is 0, a is 7, and you have to find out d is -5, right everybody? So -7 equal to -5n plus 5, or 5n equal to 12, or n equal to 12 by 5, और n equal to 2.4. तो कौन सा टर्म होगा? मतलब करेक्ट, n 2.4 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. So second term तक तो पॉजिटिव है. So we also got third also here, and here also manually itself question देख के पता पड़ रहा है कि third will be negative. So Saleja, what you are saying is the value of the third term is -3. That is the value of the term. We are not asking that. That's it.
Yes.
Understood everybody? So whenever you have to find the first negative term,
Yes.
find out the 0 term. Find out the 0 first. That's it. You can solve all this question very easily. Let me get some more questions which you can do. तो बहुत easy है सब. Anybody any question? Let's solve one now. Word problem. A sum of rupees 700.
Can you show the 0 1 again? I was disconnected actually.
0 1 वाला is this. I just explain how it works. Same thing जो हमने पहले किया था ना, जब हमको नेगेटिव टर्म निकालना है तो फाइंड आउट 0 टर्म. तो n को 0 मान लो, फाइंड आउट द n. तो जो भी n का वैल्यू आ रहा है फ्रैक्शन में, डेसिमल में, नेक्स्ट वैल्यू विल बी द n टर्म. दैट्स इट.
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
So if I say a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. These are other application of this in a school. Okay. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find value of each prize. कैसे करने वाले हैं? Tell me, Dhruv, you tell me, what is D here? What are things given here? A, D, and some. What are all things given, guys?
Sir, I think N will be 7 and
N
D
will be 7 because there are 7 prizes, guys.
Yes,
There
sir.
are 7 terms. So,
And sum is 700.
guys, very interesting thing you are saying. AP. So there are 7 terms. Sum also is given as 700. और क्या दिया है?
We have to find A or what?
We have to find A and then the full AP. AP we have to find out. Once we get the AP, answer is there. But what is D here, guys?
So D is 20, right?
Minus
So minus
20.
20.
Is it 20
Minus
or minus
27.
20?
Minus
Minus 20.
Minus 20
Minus
because
27.
price is 20 less than its preceding. पहला अगर 100 है तो दूसरा वाला 80 होगा तो minus 20. अब तुम्हें n पता है, सम पता है, ये पता है, क्या करने वाले हैं? इजी है.
SN
We can find out A from this or not.
SN equal to 7.
So sum is given by
Yes, sir.
n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. ये तो सबको पता है. Sum is as 700. ये n by 2 है. I by mistake always write it. 700. N 7 by 2. N is 7. 2a we don't
7
know.
by 2.
N is 7. 7 minus 1
7 minus 1.
6 into minus 20. ठीक है ना? I will take this to the right left side. तो 1400 दो सबसे easy तरीका है. यहाँ पे 7 है बीवी. 2a. ये कितना होगा? करेक्ट. 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया 200. राइट. 200 तो मेरा a आ गया. 200 प्लस 120 320 का आधा. a is 160.
160.
एक बार a आ गया. क्वेश्चन क्या है? फाइंड वैल्यू ईच प्राइस. तो पहला प्राइस होगा 160. फर्स्ट प्राइस
140, 120.
सेकंड प्राइस. उसके बाद अब इजी है ना.
120.
160 माइनस
20.
20 140. फिर 120 फिर 100 फिर 80 फिर 60. 7 प्राइस होने चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 और फिर 40. सबका ऐड करोगे तो फिर से 700 आ जाएगा. तो पॉइंट क्या है यहाँ पे? यू टू जस्ट गेट द एपी. और एपी के लिए चाहिए ए और डी. और डी पता है. यू नीड द ए. द होल ऑब्जेक्टिव यू नीड ओनली ए. और ए वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट यूजिंग द सम फार्मूला. देखो पूरे एपी में दो ही चीजें. एंड द टर्म फार्मूला एंड सम फार्मूला. उसके अलावा कुछ. उसके अलावा एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू पुट योर माइंड. दैट्स इट. दिस इज लाइक very interesting topic and very important topic for any computer exam because question can become very very tough. Any questions? Any question, anyone? Let me tell you some.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir,
Yes, please.
so that 700 equal to 7 divided by 2, 2a plus 6 minus into minus 20.
Right.
Then 7 can we take there or what? means 100 equal to 2a plus 6 into minus 20 divided by 2. That will be more easy.
You will take this 2 inside, you are saying? See,
Yes,
how you
and
saw,
7
see, so Slesha, I never said do in my way. My objective is concepts. No, how you solve equation is totally your choice. I prefer this way. Somebody will multiply inside, somebody will already you decide. I don't mind. You can do that. You take 2 inside. But
I
what
don't like
happens?
that.
What happens when this become odd? That's the problem, right?
Yes.
This can become odd sometime. Then it become problem. That's why I use this method. You can use after this. You use any method to find A. Okay.
Yes.
No problem at all. Anybody, any question on this, or we are all good on terms of AP? Any question you can solve in AP from any book, anywhere?
Yes.
Let's do the last question. Let's see how many you find out. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Let's see who to find it fast. We have 4 minutes. Quickly solve, everybody. Find sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Tell me, guys, what will be the answer?
Sir, how do you?
How much? 1275. Okay. Write Slesha on the chat, please.
25.
Slesha, chat पे लिखो ना. My AP would be, guys, 1, 3, 5, dot, 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 49. Correct, everybody? Slesha says 625, Venkat says 1275. What are others? At least 2 people found out. What are others? 1, 3, 5, dash, 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 49. Tell me, everybody, what is A here? What is D here?
D. Yeah.
What is N here? The more important is N. How many? What is N?
Sir, I have found that A plus n minus 1 be A equal to.
That is correct. What is N but? N we
N
need
is
anyway.
24.
24 or 25? Felicia?
N minus 1 equal to 24.
What is N I'm asking?
Yes, sir. 25, 25, sir. You are right.
24 कैसे बोल रही हो? See guys, from
Sir,
1 to
10 minus
50,
1 I
50.
was taking.
No. I'm asking what is N. So guys, these are the terms. These are the important information. No, you can use any formula. If I use formula, this also is okay.
N divided by 2 A plus L.
वो मेरा हमेशा N by 2 A plus L. No, everything A is clear, D is clear. N only N is 25. Why N is 25? Because
Yes.
देखो 1 से 50 50 नंबर होते हैं. We are taking only odd number, आधे ही ले रहे हैं तो 25. 49 तक 25 odd number आएंगे, 24 even number आएंगे. अगर 1 से 49 बोल रहे हैं तो that's it. So sum equal to N by 2, 49 by 2. A is 1, L is 49. 49 times 25. ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं 25 में? Guys, 25 by 2. So total sum is so easy, 625. Why will I get it different, guys? कहाँ गड़बड़ है बताओ? Only problem you would have done is N. N is 25, not 50 or not 49. I know that is the only mistake point. Any question, anyone? We are done for today. Ask me any question. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Any question you feel on this, ask me please. Else we are done. Arithmetic progression. From next week, we are going to start something very different. And guys, I have already sent you the video link. I am going to upload some more videos this week, next week, from Monday onward. All the videos which are there, and then you can watch it. I'll message you also, guys. Because we're going to start either geometry or let me see what. But we'll start.
Sir, can you take trigonometry because it's coming in the exam?
When is the exam?
Sir, in June.
हाँ जून उसके पहले हो जाएगा अभी तो मई स्टार्ट हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry.
Okay,
See,
sir.
guys, one more thing, guys. For geometry and trigonometry, I'll tell you the good you ask me now. So, guys, we have done the arithmetic part, little algebraic part. Geometry and trigonometry, I am going to upload some videos from my previous classes, which gives you very basic of geometry and trigonometry, and we are going to learn more deep on this. So, you watch that video, then come to the class. I'll tell you when we are starting geometry, and I'll tell you videos of which video to watch. So, watch that video, and then come to class. So, we'll not cover again the basics because the basics are there, and then we start solving problems. Okay?
Sir, I have missed the 3 lessons now, sir.
Arey Venkat, I'm telling you now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
get all the videos.
Yes, sir. After, if I have any doubt, how to reach you, sir, through that email, should I reach you through Gmail, sir?
See, listen, no. See, Shreyas, Venkat Shreyas, who's
Yes, sir.
asking. See, there are 2 things here. First of all, these are live classes. So you are
Yes,
asking many questions here anyway. Think of my digital courses, where we don't do live classes, we only do digital courses. Then also people ask questions. In every course, my videos, after videos, you can always put a question there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In every course, in every lecture, after lecture, there is a comment section. You put questions there. You can always ask
Okay,
them.
sir.
But you are getting here also chance. So for you, double advantage. In live class also, you can ask me doubt. Plus, you can also ask doubt there.
Okay, sir.
When you upload, there you'll see after every lecture, there is a comment section. You can always put all questions. Everybody should, no mails, no phone calls, no messages. Do
Yes, sir.
because that way everybody, when you put questions in the system, everybody else can also get benefited. I
Yes,
always
sir.
insist to everybody, don't ask question on WhatsApp, don't ask on email. Okay? So from next week, I'll tell you what will start, and I'll tell you which video to watch, so that you can come prepared for that. If I start geometry or trigonometry, if I something else, I'll let you know next week.
Sir, and the summer camp is also live now, sir. My friends were asking, I recommended them.
So there are different summer camps doing. One summer camp we started for kids, which is like for 7 years to 10 years.
Oh,
Now I'm starting another summer camp from Tuesday, yes, from Tuesday.
yes, sir.
That summer camp is for bigger, 11 years to 15 years.
Yes, sir.
That's an Olympiad summer camp with very good core maths. We'll do a lot of problem solving. We're going to do. So if it is
Yes,
if it is that range 11 to 15, plus minus 1 year like 10 also 16 also, but that age range, yeah, they can register. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
that will be core maths of Olympiad where we will solve a lot of problems. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any
Sir,
question?
have I
Anyone?
subscribed? Have I registered all your courses, no, sir? Is there any new course like?
I don't remember when got so many students. I'll not so maybe I have to see my records or what course you register. I don't remember now. I like that, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you would have registered for all the courses, you would have got all four. But when you register for all the courses, I tell you which courses, because all is like I tell these are the courses you register, but it doesn't include all the future courses, right?
Sir, I got Applied Maths 5, Elementary Maths 3, and RMA 1 and Vedic Maths Algebra 1, sir.
So Venkat, let me check, because one more thing I'm telling you is when you
Yes,
subscribe all the courses, I'll tell you which courses you subscribe. It doesn't include the future courses. Like it doesn't include summer camps, right? It doesn't include
Yes.
tomorrow we start a new course. It doesn't include. Include whatever courses that time. I said these are my courses. You applied for all, you get all this.
Okay, sir.
Any other question, anyone? So guys, we see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start something which is familiar, and then from next week. That's all. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.